This video is a quick install guide for the RetailPlayer. First, unbox the device. If you purchased a RetailPlayer S400, you will have the RetailPlayer and the power supply. If you purchased a RetailPlayer SP400, you will have only the RetailPlayer. That's because the RetailPlayer SP400 is powered via PoE. After unboxing, use an audio cable like this one to connect your device to your amplification system. On the back panel, you can see the Ethernet connector to plug your network cable. And in this case, we have the power supply. In the same box of RetailPlayer, you will find the MAC address sticker. The same information is reported on the back side of the unit and on the external housing. With the MAC address, we can register the RetailPlayer device into the portal. Use your credentials to access the portal. Locate the Devices section, click on the plus symbol in the right corner, and enter the details. You can select the firmware that the device will run. We will select the latest firmware available. If this firmware is not the same as the one that the device is shipped with, the firmware update will take place immediately at the first connection with the portal. Assign your device to your organization unit or to one of your sub-organizational units. Select the channel list that your device will play. If you haven't created yet a channel list, it's not a problem. You can do it later. Click on Save. And as soon as the device will connect with the portal, you will see a green square box around the real-time control and the status report information field. If we raise the volume of the device, we can hear the Barracks radio playing. This video was about how to have your RetailPlayer device up and running in minutes. The device is now ready to be controlled from the portal. Check out the rest of the documentation for all the details.